A group of roboticists has shown an improved version of the Dragon platform, a shape-shifting drone robot that can pick up and transport things, and even close a pipe valve using just rotor thrust. 4 years ago, the JSK Lab team unveiled the initial design for Dragon, a modular drone that can change its configuration mid-flight in order to fit through spaces that are inaccessible to fixed-shape drones. The name Dragon was painstakingly backronymed from dual-rotor embedded multilink robot with the ability of multi-degree aerial transformation. Since then, the design has been improved by the team, and it can now manipulate its surroundings in addition to changing its shape to fit through narrow openings. The updated Dragon is seen in the team's most recent video demonstration, grabbing and moving a pipe valve handle to open or close the valve and regulate steam pouring from a vent at the end. In another video, the robot is seen picking up goods for transportation. One of the two papers outlining the advancements, which were brought to our notice by IEEE Spectrum, quotes the researchers as saying that the key to executing stable manipulation and grasping in the air is the utilization of rotor vectoring device with 2 degrees of freedom. First, with a consideration for the dynamics of vectoring actuators, a comprehensive flight control approach for aerial transformation employing the vectorable thrust force is established. This suggested control strategy can dampen oscillation brought on by the dynamics of vectoring actuators, while also enabling the integration of external and internal tools for grasping and object handling. Second, an online thrust-level planning method for bimanual object grasping using the 2 ends of this articulated model is presented. The proposed grasping style is unique in that the vectorable thrust force is used as the internal wrench instead of the joint torque. To stay updated with the latest invention and news, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out our website at www.techwiki.co. Thanks for watching.